This is the second in a series on Windows file handling. This session is on how we open and process files. Two basic methods that are used in Windows to open and process files. The first method that I'm going to talk about has to do with navigating to the file that we want to process and then double-clicking on it to open and process it. Windows then opens an appropriate program based upon the file type of the file and processes that file. Second method is to start with the program, for example Microsoft Word program, and open that and use Microsoft Word to find the file that we want to operate on and process. So there's two basic methods you go and go after the files you want to process. If we go to Start and we go to My Computer, we can open up a disk drive, and then we can go to a folder, and that folder then contains lots of files. And if we wanted to open up this file, for example, it says that it's a Microsoft Word document, and because of the .doc extension, Windows knows to open up Microsoft Word and open up that program and that file for editing and processing, and it opened up Microsoft Word here. Now, other formats are like RTF, rich text format. It opens up WordPad, which is a product of Windows, and it's a text processor or a word processor, and it opens up those kinds of files with WordPad. The .xls is a spreadsheet program, Excel, and Windows opens Excel and then opens that Excel spreadsheet within Excel. So Windows uses the file extension to open up use the appropriate program to open that file. In this case, this is a .pdf program. Adobe Reader recognizes and runs and processes .pdf files for you. Windows knows that a .pdf should be opened and processed by Adobe Reader, so it starts Adobe Reader for you and opens up that file. So that's the basic process when you use it from a file point of view. As I said, the second method is when you go to Start and you go to your program and you find the program that you want to use, in this case Microsoft Word, and we can open up Microsoft Word and then use Microsoft Word. If you have an older version, there would be File in the upper left corner. If you clicked on that, you'll have an option to open, and it'll open up the file structure. In this case, it starts with My Documents, but it also offers the opportunity to go to My Computer, which then I can go to My Drive, and I can go to My Folder, and I can go find the file that I want to process and click on that, and Windows will open up that. Of course, we're already in Word, and it'll open up that file for you to process in Word. It works the same way with other products that are available. I'll continue to use the Office suite because people are familiar with that. If I use Excel, I open up Excel. Excel then lets me go and open up other files. If I click on Open, I can then go to the same place that I've been before and go into this folder, and I can find a Excel spreadsheet that I can open up, and there it is, that same Excel spreadsheet. So the two methods are to use the file and use the file system and go to the file and let Windows open the appropriate program to process the file, or start with the program and go find the file that you want to process with that program. Our next session will be on how we open and how we copy and move files. So this is the end of our session on open and processing files.